It's the North Texas weather discussion video. This is for Wednesday, the 8th of July. I'm Donovan Neal. Hey, it's a pretty hot summer day across Dallas, Fort Worth, and North Texas. Not as much showers and storms about as what we saw yesterday. So let's check things out here. This is the upper air look. This is a look at 500 millibars, around 18,000 feet off of sea level. Broad ridging across the contiguous United States, 594 heat ring across the Four Corners region in the desert southwest. Very weak winds aloft here. So let's check the radar, the visible satellite view. You can see mostly sunny skies are statewide. Do note we do have a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms near the Red River, over towards Bonham, Reneva, Ector, near Dodge City, and up towards Paris and Toco and Brookston and Petty. And these will probably dissipate around sunset. Will remain to be seen whether or not we'll see some more development, but just isolated showers and storms this afternoon and evening. We are mostly in the upper 90s to triple digits basically everywhere, with the exception of Bonham, where they're seeing a little bit of rain-cooled air from those showers and storms. On the watch warning map, we have some heat advisory issues across parts of, surprisingly, near Georgia and the Carolinas and Florida, and also towards the desert southwest, towards Colorado, Utah, parts of Arizona, and Southern California. We have severe thunderstorm watches in place for parts of the western high plains and parts of Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Iowa. But down here in Texas, we remain pretty quiet. For the rest of the day, we have an enhanced risk of severe storms for that same area where we have those severe thunderstorm watches. Standard slight risk surrounding that. Day 2, tomorrow, we have 3 areas of slight risk of severe storms. One for the western high plains and the Dakotas. Another one near Indiana, Illinois, parts of Missouri, and another one near the DMV region, off of the coast, East Coast. And on day 3, which is Friday, we have a broad marginal risk for parts of the southern U.S., parts of the deep south extending up towards Denver, Colorado. Rain for the next 7 days, valid through Wednesday of next week. And this is just an average, anywhere between a tenth to around a quarter to even an inch of rain in some spots for north central Texas. Keep in mind that your rain amount can vary due to the random nature of these scattered showers and thunderstorms. Some places may see 2 inches of rain in one spot. Go 5 miles to the west or any direction, you'll see absolutely nothing. That's just the random nature of these summertime showers and storms. But anything is better than nothing when it comes to precipitation in the month of July here. In the tropics, we are pretty quiet on the Atlantic Basin, and that is because of the Saharan dust emanating off of the coast of Africa. This isn't anything strange here. This typically happens around this time of the year, and this usually thwarts tropical cyclone development. But let's take a look at the probability of tropical storm formation between now and the 23rd of July. Across the Gulf, basically nothing. Again, because of that Saharan dust, we remain dry for a while. But let's go to elsewhere, where we are looking at Super Typhoon Bobby. This is coming close to the coast of China and Taiwan. Doesn't look as impressive as it did this morning, but it's still plotting maximum sustained winds at around 130 miles an hour. Puts it at a pretty solid category 4 super typhoon. And this will come really close to Taiwan before moving inland, landfalling in China as a minimal typhoon. It's encountering some cooler waters, so it'll landfall as a less intense storm. So we're going to have to watch this very carefully because, again, it's going to clip northern Taiwan. So we'll watch this carefully in the coming days. So let's take a look at the dailies here. This is the European. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock local time. You can see we have broad ridging across the contiguous United States, much like today. And down here, because of that, we have heights increasing with time, leading to more sinking air subsidence. So much like today, I do think tomorrow will be a mostly dry day across the region, with highs near or at triple digits. Take a look at the high resolution HER, and it's pretty much showing the same thing. Less coverage of the isolated to widely scattered showers and storms. And it's pretty much the same thing for Friday and the same thing on Sunday, and same thing on Saturday as the weekend begins. Again, I do think much of the region will be hot, humid, and very dry. Temperatures upper 90s to near 100 degrees. Now, Sunday is a different story. The heights start to fall a little bit. We have more moisture convergence aloft, so we'll increase the chance of these scattered mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms on Sunday. And we do have a little bit of cloud cover in place, so we could introduce some cooler temperatures, mostly in the probably low to mid 90s in some spots. And pretty much the same thing on Monday. And this is suggesting that the higher coverage of showers and storms will actually be to the south of here, out in the big country, West Texas, and generally to the south of Interstate 20. But again, same forecast goes: scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms, highs mostly in the mid to upper 90s. Same thing on Tuesday, and a week from today, this is going to be Wednesday, the 15th of July. You can see a nasty 594 decameter heat ring across much of the central United States. This is a pretty expansive heat ridge, but down here we are below that, and we actually have a little bit of a disturbance near El Paso, which could lead to some isolated showers and storms. Now, let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, the 18th of July. 594 heat ring makes it over here into our neck of the woods, into much of Texas, and because of that, we have a lot of subsidence, so we're pretty dry for a while. Rainfall for the next 15 days coming off the European Ensemble, the AI version. Do you want to bring attention? A couple of members, has us getting over 6, 7, or even 8 inches of rain between now and the 23rd of July. Those are outliers. We take out those outliers. We look at the green line, which is the mean of the ensemble, and it's suggesting anywhere about 1 and 2 inches, about 1.5 inches of rain between now and the 23rd. Temperatures coming off of the NBM National Blend of Models. Once again, upper 90s to near 100 degrees between now and Saturday. And then Sunday we do cool things off a little bit. With that moisture convergence, a little bit higher cloud cover, temperatures in the middle 90s, and then we'll bounce right back into the upper 90s to near 100 degree heat by the end of next week into next weekend. Latest long range guidance. This is for July 16th through the 22nd. Temperatures a little above average if this all works out. That's going to be it for this Texas weather discussion video. I'll have more notes on the blog. Next video here will be tomorrow. If you can, catch us at around tomorrow around 5. Thank you very much for watching, and Godspeed.